Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Even though it's still 6 months away from its official launch, leaks are already giving us a sneak peek into its incredible camera specs. So, let's dive into what we know so far. First off, let's talk about the overall setup. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a stunning quad camera array. This setup is sure to excite photography enthusiasts and tech fans alike. At the heart of the S25 Ultra's camera system is a whopping 200 MP primary module. This is set to deliver incredibly detailed and high-resolution photos, making sure every shot is crystal clear and vibrant. Next up, we have the 50MP ultra-wide module. It's rumored to use a 1/2 76-inch Samsung ISO CEL Gen1 sensor. This means you'll get stunning wide-angle shots with great detail and minimal distortion, perfect for capturing landscapes and large group photos. The S25 Ultra will also feature a 50MP 3x telephoto module based on a 1/3 inch ISO CEL sensor. This camera is designed to bring your subjects closer without losing clarity, ideal for those mid-range zoom shots. Last but not least, there's another telephoto module boasting 5x zoom. This second 50MP telephoto camera will let you zoom in even further, capturing distant subjects in sharp detail. It's perfect for wildlife photography or sporting events. So, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse in mobile photography with its impressive quad camera setup. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking great photos, this phone is sure to impress. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news and reviews. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest uploads. See you in the next video.